Hello, Jay here for your Phuket Weekly Weather Update live. Well, I'm live from my garden and I'm sweaty and smelly this morning because I played paddle tennis. That's right, I'm a paddle bro. Anyway, you don't need to know about that. If you want to know what the weather's doing for technically the second week of April, the week before Songkran, and you want to know what the best tours to go on, well, I'm going to tell you Phang Nga Bay, Phang Nga Bay, Phang Nga Bay, and Phang Nga Bay. And I can let you know about the weather as well, which looks like it's going to be pretty nice for this week. Maybe a few thunder showers, and I can let you know when the sunset's coming as well. All that sort of good stuff. And thank you very much for the 50 people that watched last week. You guys are awesome, and I love you so much. Please tell one of your friends to watch, and then maybe we'll get to 51 next week. Won't that be nice? Yes, it will. Anyway, should we go and do the weather? Okay. I'll just let you know, I recorded it about 8 times today. I'm having a bad day. Anyway, let's go. Weather time. Woo! Hello, Jay here, but you already know that because I just did the intro. It was fun, wasn't it? I'm a bit sweaty and smelly because I was playing paddle tennis this morning. That's right, I'm a paddle bro, man. Quite like it though, it's good fun games. Nice thing to do on a Sunday morning. That and the weather, of course. Why am I going to do the weather? Because you need to know what the weather's going to be doing for the second week of April. I guess it is the second week because it's the 5th today, isn't it? So it's the 5th, it depends on which day you're watching this. I'm recording this on the 5th, so it's the 5th. But obviously you might be watching this on the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. All 50 of you that watched last week's one. Thank you, 50 people, for watching my videos. I'm so pleased I put all the effort in.
Bombastic side eye.
Sure. Anyway, coffee's good. Right, windy. Now, windy shows the direction of the wind. It also shows the strength of the wind. It's all colour-coded. Purple, as you can see, this is Phang Nga Bay here. Purple means no wind. Blue or light blue means very, very little wind. Light green means a little bit more wind. Green means more wind. Then yellow means more wind. Orange, lots of wind. And if you see this guy, that's right, it's blowing its off. We don't get many Ron Burgundies, to be fair. In fact, I've never seen one on our windy app when I'm doing the weather for Phuket. But you never know, it might happen one day. Right, you got Phuket. Phuket, that's it. Right in the middle. Similar Islands are up here. You got Phi Phi down here, and as I said, Phang Nga Bay is right there. Now, Similar Islands are closing on the 15th of May. So you only have a month left to go there. The travel time, as you can see, the wind starts to change direction this time of year, so it might get a little bit bumpy out there. So just warning you, if you are thinking of going to Similar Islands, maybe give yourself a couple of days, so you've got 2 different options just in case it does get a bit bumpy, because it can get bumpy because it's a 2-hour boat ride all the way over to Similar Islands. Anyway, I recommend this time of year Phang Nga Bay. Phang Nga Bay is perfect for this time of year. Why? One, because it's stinking hot right now, and Phang Nga Bay is quiet. There's a lot of shelter in there. There's a lot of caves you can go into, and you go and cool off, go a bit of kayaking through the caves into the hongs and the hidden lagoons. So that's my top tip, is head up to Phang Nga Bay. Right, let's look at the weather. So this is right now as we look at it. This is this morning as I record this, sweaty and smelly from the old paddles. This is Sunday morning. Let's look at Sunday afternoon. Sunday afternoon, a bit of the wind does kick in a little bit, a bit breeze comes in. All coming from the westerly, which is kind of normal because the wind, as I said, changed direction. So over the high season, the wind all comes from the east. And then during the low season, rainy season, the wind comes from the west. Phang Nga Bay is always a good option either because it is well protected by Phang Nga, which is here, and Krabi, which is here. So, Sunday afternoon looks good. Let's look at Monday. Monday morning looks amazing. Beautiful day to go out on Monday the 6th. Monday afternoon, once again, a little bit of breeze, but nothing much to worry about, to be honest. Tuesday the 7th, beautiful in the morning. Let's guess what it's going to be like in the afternoon. That's right, picks up a little bit in the afternoon. Once again, the wind's coming from the west. It is starting to change direction. Surf season's coming soon, that's for sure. Wednesday the 8th, looks beautiful in the morning. Let's guess what it's like in the afternoon. That's right, a little bit more wind in the afternoon. Thursday the 9th, oh, look at that. Nice in the morning, and in the afternoon, a little bit more breeze in the afternoon. There's a pattern brewing here, isn't there? I believe so. Friday the 10th, look at that. Not much wind in the morning. What do you think? How, what, hey, what, who, when, what, many days? I don't know what I'm saying. Friday afternoon? No. Oh, not that much wind, actually. Friday looks good. Saturday the 11th. A little bit more wind in the morning, and then in the afternoon, Oh, picks up in the afternoon. Saturday does look a bit windy, so it might be a bit bumpy coming back from Phi Phi on Saturday afternoon. And then next Sunday looks lovely in the morning and lovely in the afternoon. So, next week, wind-wise, does look like it's quiet in the morning and picks up in the afternoon. Okay, there you go. I could have just said that at the very start rather than doing this whole thing, couldn't I? Yeah, maybe. Anyway, let's go to acute weather, which is our bog stand. Now, it's difficult to see this, but this is just shows us the temperatures. So 35, 36s, any 36s? Yeah, 36 at the weekend. So it's about 35, 36. It does feel a lot hotter because it's really, really humid right now. And there are some thunderstorms in the skies. That's right. So for today, it says there's a 55%, but it is thunderstorms. Monday, 25%. Tuesday, a 55%. Wednesday, 61%. Same for Thursday. Same for Friday. And then it drops off. So with this percentage, it doesn't mean it's going to rain 65% of the time across the whole of Phuket. It just means there's a 65% chance there might be rain somewhere in Phuket. And generally right now, we're getting storms in the evening, we're getting thunderstorms. That's what we're getting. We're in that period of who's crying? Come here, Mischief. Come on. There you go. Right, sorry, Mischief's here now. Right, so what was I saying? Yes, so it might rain for... Oh, she's gone. I think she wants to go out. Hold on 2 seconds. I just got to go let the dogs out.
One eternity later.
Ah, dogs are out. Right, so the percentage thing, it just means there is a 50% chance, or 55%, or whatever the percentage is, of it raining sometime in Phuket of some point during the day. And that's it. It doesn't mean it's going to rain 55% of the time across the whole of Phuket, because Phuket has lots of microclimates because of the mountainous region that it is. If you don't believe me, it is quite mountainous, or hillious. Is hillious a word? Not mountainous, hillious. Anyway, it's going to be hot and most of the rain comes in the evening. Okay? Good. Right, let's go to the TMD weather radar, which is absolutely pointless because it's live, as I record this right now on Sunday morning around about 11 o'clock. As you can see, there's not much rain. The green bits show where the rain is. There's not much rain over Phuket today, so it looks like it's going to be a nice day. So there you go. That's your Phuket Weekly Weather forecast. So basically, it looks like it's going to be a great week out on the water. Get out there, head into Phang Nga Bay. Look, it looks beautiful right now. And it is a great place to go, as I said, because you can go and cool off in some of the caves, or you can go and cool off in some of the lagoons. It's a very, very cool place. It's nice and sheltered as well, which is good. All right, that's my top tip. Oh, by the way, sunsets around about 6:35 to 6:37 most days. I thought I'd throw that out there. See if we get any more views because I mentioned sunset. I very much doubt it. Right, that's your Phuket Weekly Weather forecast with me, Joe Leshark, for technically the second week of April. Oh, Songkran's coming soon. Songkran is next week. So Songkran is on the 13th, which is, I think it's Monday the 13th. It's an amazing, amazing day. It is loads of water fights. Go and check out our shorts, our Instagram reels, and our TikToks, because Sunwa, the awesome Sunwa, has done a whole video, or a short video, about what to prepare for Songkran. Very important. Go and check it out. Good? Right, oh, we also do daily weather updates each and every day. So you don't have to sit through this whole 10 minutes of weekly weather. You can just watch our daily ones. Yay. But if you do watch it, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. And those people that do comment, thank you for that as well, because that's really kind of you. Makes me feel happy. That's right. Right, I'm off for a shower because I still stink, and finish my coffee before it gets cold. Got it? Good. Have a great week.